Hey guys, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It's going to be my first studio vlog and I just wanted to show you how I do my orders and how I package my items. Every day is different, so yeah, it depends what orders I get basically. And it's a very relaxing and chilled video and I do hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up to let me know if you enjoyed this video or not, and I would love to hear your feedbacks. And don't forget to subscribe to see more of these type of videos in the future. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So I've designed these thank you stickers and got printed.com to print them out for me. I am so happy with the quality of it, and let me know what you guys think of the design. I'm just going to package them right now for a customer. If you guys are still here with me, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below, and thanks for still watching this video. hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and please let me know what you liked about it the most, and if I should continue to do more of these type of videos or not. I would love to hear your feedbacks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of these videos in the future. I'll see you guys soon.